Have you ever craved something sweet, but didn't want the sugar, the oven, or the guilt? Today, I'm going to show you a super easy, no-bake dessert that's not only delicious, but also completely sugar-free, vegan, and ready in just 5 minutes. No baking, no dairy, no eggs, no honey. Just clean, simple ingredients that fuel your body and satisfy your cravings. And the best part? You can enjoy this with your tea or coffee anytime, without worrying about unhealthy sugars. Let's make this together. Here's everything you'll need. 60 grams of walnuts, 60 grams of cashews, 20 grams of sunflower seeds, 20 grams of sesame seeds, 140 grams of soft dates, 1 to 2 tablespoons of nut butter, a pinch of salt, cinnamon to taste, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 90 grams of sugar-free dark chocolate, and for decoration, a few extra walnuts, optional coarse salt for that perfect sweet-salty balance. These ingredients are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and natural energy, perfect for a clean lifestyle. Start by adding your walnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds into a food processor. Blend everything until you get a crumbly, slightly sticky texture. You don't want it too smooth. Some texture makes the dessert more satisfying. Now add your soft dates. These are your natural sweetener. No refined sugar needed. Blend again until everything comes together into a thick, sticky mixture. Next, add your nut butter, a pinch of salt, cinnamon, cocoa powder. Blend one more time until the mixture becomes rich, smooth, and chocolatey. This mixture should be easy to press together. If it's too dry, just add a tiny bit more nut butter. Transfer the mixture onto a lined tray or plate. Press it down firmly into an even layer. You can shape it into bars, squares, or even small bite-sized balls. Make sure it's compact. This helps everything hold together perfectly. Now melt your sugar-free dark chocolate. You can do this using a microwave or a double boiler. Once melted, pour the chocolate evenly over your dessert base. Spread it gently to cover the top. Then decorate with crushed walnuts, a light sprinkle of coarse salt, optional but highly recommended. This adds texture and enhances the flavor beautifully. Place your dessert in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is fully set. Once ready, cut into pieces. Look at that! Rich, clean, and absolutely delicious. Pair it with your favorite tea or coffee. This is the kind of snack that feels indulgent, but actually nourishes your body. Perfect for midday energy, after meals, or even a healthy dessert option. If you love nuts and chocolate, this recipe is definitely for you. It's simple, clean, and made with ingredients you can trust. Try it at home, share it with your friends, and let me know how it turned out in the comments. And if you enjoy healthy recipes like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Eat Clean Daily family. Let's keep making simple, healthy food together.